How to add texture in Figma. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add texture in Figma to give your designs more depth and style. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. First, grab a texture image from your computer or from a free site like Unsplash or Pictions. Then drag and drop it on your Figma canvas. Resize and position the texture image over the area where you want the effect. You can also use a frame or marks to control where the texture shows. To make the texture blend with your design, select the texture image, adjust its opacity or set a blend mode like multiply, overlay or soft light in the right panel. If you want the texture to appear only inside a shape or layer, select both texture and shape, then right click and choose use as mask. And that's it. This is how you add texture on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.